What's up, everyone? How you doing today? Today we're going to talk about this Lane's Legendary Chicken Rub seasoning. Now this has been showing up all over my news feeds for quite some time, and I just found it super intriguing, and I had to try it with just from looking at the videos and the texture in this thing. They are just huge, nice minced pieces of onion, garlic, pepper, parsley, salt, and it just looks and sounds like a really good chicken rub, and I just had to try it. So today, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so what I got here is I got 3 boneless skinless chicken breasts from the local Amish, and we are just gonna squirt these down with a little bit of duck fat to keep them from sticking on the grill and to use as a binder to hold this rub on. And just look at the colors that are coming out of this. I really have high hopes for this rub. This is a small family-owned company, it looks like. It says it's a limited edition, and when this came in the mail, it even came with a handwritten thank you card. So I got high hopes for this just because I want to really like this. All right, let's get this on the big green egg. I got it fired up to about 375, and we'll go put it on. All right, we got the egg fired up to 375. Let's throw the chicken on. I threw in a couple chunks of pecan just to give it a little bit extra smoky flavor, and I really like the light smokiness that pecan provides to chicken and turkey. So we'll get those on there for a few minutes, and we'll come back when they're done. So the chicken is done. It smells amazing, and I can't wait to slice into it and give it a taste. So all right, I'm just gonna pick one. And just look at that chicken breast. It's hard to tell. That is just a super moist, tender, glistening chicken breast. All right, so we got our slice. So let's give it a taste and see if you should buy this rub or not. It's sweet. I didn't expect it to be sweet, but it might be from the onion. And I think it said it had brown sugar in it. Yeah, sugar and brown sugar. Yeah, it's got really good flavor. I think I would add some pepper to it, but definitely if you want a good chicken rub and you're looking for something else to try, I would say give this a shot. This is it's nice and sweet, and it's got some pretty complex flavors in it. You could taste the chili powder. You definitely taste the sugar. You can taste the pepper, bell pepper, and parsley, and the onion, garlic. It's all there. It's It's everything you want. Now, this is very coarse, so I initially started cooking at 375, and I had to turn the grill down to 350 and move the chicken off to the side indirectly, just because when you have something this coarse, it does typically tend to burn a lot faster than the more finer ground up seasonings. But this adds some really nice texture, and I suggest you go and get yourself some.